How to send a Snapchat picture on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. You can take photos and videos from here to share with your friends. On this screen, tap on the Memories icon beside the Capture button. Here, you can view your Snapchat memories and flashbacks. Open any picture from the memories. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Send button. Here, select WhatsApp from the sharing options. Then, tap on the Send button again. You will then be taken to this page in WhatsApp. Now select the contacts you want to share this picture with. After selecting, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, tap on Send at the top right corner. You have now successfully shared this picture on WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily send a Snapchat picture on WhatsApp.